Hello, amazing artists. Today we're going to create artwork inspired by Matiisse. Matiisse is a famous artist that loves making artwork from cut out paper. Another word for that is collage. All right, the materials you'll need today is a glue stick, a pair of scissors, and some paper scraps. I'm going to start out by just cutting right into one of my scraps using some curvy lines. Don't worry about what shape you're making, just cut. Now you'll see on the left I have my shape cut out, but on my right I get this beautiful negative shape left behind. It's almost the opposite. And when I glue it down on my black paper, I love how that looks. This is a great project to do towards the end of the year when we have tons of paper scraps to choose from in our bins. You can cut small shapes, larger shapes, all kinds of shapes. Try to have a variety of size, but also a variety of color in your collage. Don't worry about planning today. Just grab new and interesting pieces of scrap paper that speak to you and just start cutting in and curving. Keep your scissors faced forward and use your non-dominant hand to help you turn the paper while you cut. Remember to use both the negative shape that's left behind from cutting out the shape and the shape itself in your composition. Making sure I spread my glue very carefully and evenly across the whole paper scrap so that when I push it down and massage it onto my base paper, it won't be curling up from the sides. I really want to focus on layering in my collage. That means putting different scraps and shapes on top of each other so that part of them overlaps or goes into the other shapes. This way I can have some depth in my artwork. Now I'm cutting out a spiral by rotating my paper, and now I'm going to cut another little sliver of my spiral so that when I lay it down on my black paper, I'll get something looking really interesting because you can see the positive space or the pink of the spiral, but also the negative space or the black paper around my shape.